We are live. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope all is well. Let's rock and roll. I appreciate everybody's patience in the comment section. Thank you all. We're here. We're making it happen. Let's jump into it. Crypto market analysis, as you can see behind me. We're going into it. So you guys, here's the thing I'll tell you. Ethereum pillow. This is a conversation. Let's have one before I jump into the charts, by the way. I want you guys to let me know what tickers you want me to go over. I got a whole bunch of tickers here. I'm not going into all of them, but we're going to cover some. So some of the ones I have here, because I really want to go into what is your majority portfolio? What do you have majority in it? I want to know that one. Many of you probably have Ethereum as your number one crypto coin, right? So that's the conversation I want to have with you guys right now. So I'm going to drop the tickers that I have. We're not going over all of them. I'm going over majority of what I see in the chat. That's what I want to see. So let me just tell you what I have here. Again, tell me the majority coin you have. Bitcoin, MATIC, FET, Sol, Link, Arrow, FTM, Shiba, Avalanche, HNT, Bonk, ARB, XRP, GST, NE, NEAR, Doge, Aave, ETH, Atom. Why is a spy on this? So flood the chat. Let me know. Again, this is a crypto market analysis. Do not give me stocks. I'm not going over stocks. It clearly has a big ass Bitcoin right here. And crypto market analysis. So flood the chat and then I'm going to acknowledge it from there. But let's jump into it. Now here's a conversation we'll have, right? Before I even start looking at the charts, let's go over one thing. If one thing would teach you about patience, true patience, and I'm not talking about scalp trading, I'm talking about just being a crypto trader, crypto swing trader, because I know the frustration right now, because I'm with you on it too. I'm with you on it too. I'm in crypto coins, and the frustration of the altcoins right now is patience building. I'm going to simplify it for you as best as humanly possible. It's patience. Because at the end of the day, we've been stuck in here for a while, and I want you to go back in time in my video. Let's see who has good memories. And when I was talking aggressively about hitting sell at the record highs, I got attacked viciously on Instagram, right? But it's all good. The team blocks. I don't really care. I'm just going to be straight. I'm at a point in my life, the longer I'm on social media, the more a tolerance builds up, I guess. It's like Superman being bulletproof. It just bounces off you. So for me, the team just blocks it. I don't acknowledge it, nor do I really care. But what I would tell you is, I'm happy that the position I'm in is at a lower price. But at the same time, now the frustration is we're stuck in positions. It's been a long time. And I'm talking about those of you that bought at dirt cheap prices, didn't even sell at highs. I feel bad for you. I took profits at highs and rotated the profits back at lower prices. I'm just happy about that. But many of you never sold. And one of the conversation was, what was it that I kept saying? It's already priced in. Come on, brain. My bad. I just woke up from a long nap. Today was I was at the museums today. I was at the Native American Museum today. Passed by Wall Street. I was going to go in, but I'm like, nah. I just wanted to walk. The weather was gorgeous in New York. I had no trades for me today. I just wanted to enjoy the New York weather. I don't have much time left before I leave the country to Thailand. So I just wanted to enjoy New York. But come on, brain. Oh, the halving. Everyone, if you go back in my lives, you could see me talking about it. I said it's priced in. And people are like, oh, the halving's coming. None of it happened. None of it happened. And I just kept saying, folks, it's already priced in. It's already priced in. So now, you're in the situation, your situation in with the altcoins, right? So I would just tell you is, build your patience. And if anything, because I'm going to go into a mini economics lesson with this, right? Ethereum all day. It's on the logo, but also Ethereum. What I would tell you is this. Opportunity cost. Opportunity cost for the future. I guess for the future, right? For me, like I said, I took profits at the record highs. I took profits around that vicinity. So for me, I'm cool. Even though it is a little annoying, I'm never going to deny that fact. I'm always honest with all of you. I don't care enough for anybody's opinion. I speak freely. I just always speak freely. I'm going to acknowledge the chat in a minute. Let me just finish this last lecture, and I'm going to acknowledge the chat. Chris, I see you. Chris, you got bonk? What's up, Bhavna? Bhavna, Mara's a stock, Bhavna. Bhavna came cho, Bhavna. What's wrong with you? I said it's crypto. But you know I would do that for you, Mara. You know I'll do that for you, Bhavna. You know I love you, girl. You know I'll do that for you. But you're a mentorship student, Bhavna. I got you. But no stocks, damn it. So my conversation, again, let me finish it. And then I'll acknowledge the chat, and then we'll go to the chart. Opportunity cost. That was the first lesson my professor taught me when I was taking Economics 101, Econ 101, opportunity cost, right? We park our money in specific stocks or crypto. Some of you are in garbage stuff. Some of you, whatever, doesn't matter what you're in. You're in stuff that if you would have taken that money, you could have used that money into things that were moving, that were actually active, making you money, instead of it being stuck. Even if you hit sell for a loss. Just hit sell, right? For a loss. By the way, that video should come out, God willing, tomorrow. My editors, and it's not their fault, it's me. I'm a perfectionist. You know, I just wanted a certain voice, but the Just Hit Sell video, the anthem of 2024, is God willing coming out tomorrow, God willing. But the editors keep sending it. I keep saying, no, fix this. Let's see what version comes out. Some people want a song with it because I posted it on my secret Instagram. This is the big anthem of my life now, Just Hit Sell, as you all know. So there's a video coming out for it that I recorded, that's being edited, that's going to be right here. It'll be posted on the YouTube. I think it's like 59 seconds to wake you all up to hit sell, to just hit sell. So that's the conversation about opportunity cost. You have to acknowledge it at the end of the day. So before I start, I got some new merch. Let me show you. It's not for sale right now, but check it out. Screen cleaner with the school's emblem on it right here. Screen cleaner with the school's emblem on it right here. So this is the one for your screen. So merch 2025 merch bag. You could get this when you want to wipe your screen. Really soft, nice cloth. And I showed you this already, but this is for your cell phone. You also get this. Mentorship students free 2025. For those, the new ones signing up for the past, you could buy it. But this you'll get for your laptop. This you'll get for your cell phone. I know you can't feel the quality, but it's super nice to get those smudges out of the way. Just wanted to show that. Some of the merch coming. What the freak? What just happened to you? Come back. So there you go. All right, let me acknowledge the chat. Let's go. All right. Okay, where am I going? Here we go. All right, we got Saul, MATIC, Flocky, MATIC, Litecoin, Pepe, and Flocky. Damn. Okay. Bonk. Okay, we'll go with those stickers. Done. No meme coins? You didn't mention any. You are nonstop. I don't know what that means. Son. I don't know what you are nonstop means. I knew the patience for the 42. Listen, let's be honest in the chat right now. I have been very good with showing up on time on the lives for the past, 5, 6, 7 months? Let's be honest. 6 months, I've been very good. Can we acknowledge that maybe on the chat? Yes, today I didn't set an alarm. I was mentally exhausted. I just wanted to take a nap without the alarm. But damn, I took like a 5-hour, 4-hour nap. I even posted on the secret Instagram. They saw me in the car with my driver. I'm like, yo, bro, I'm tired. Hit the thumbs if you like it. Thank you. I just keep adding. Tough day, LOL. How you feel about NVIDIA? Bro, we're doing stocks. We're doing crypto. Crazy how Bitcoin is so high and everyone is complaining that it's not. You can't win, David. You can't win. You know that already. Good morning. What's up, Goran? Meme coins are going ballistic. Shiba, Pepe are tied to ETH and Bitcoin. They're cheap right now, but potentially up to 60. Okay, cool. But Professor, what's up, Kamar? Professor, for conversation, I had a couple of friends, everyone that missed the Bitcoin when it was record lows and missed the opportunity. You think there'll be a next? There's always opportunities, Mr. Kamar Smith. Always opportunities. People can use the clots to wipe away all those indicators, 100%. Beer coin, God bless, FTM, Mara, HNT. Professor, been a Swiss watch on live timing, caught me off guard. Exactly, David. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let me get these coins in order and let's start the live. Let's start the live. Let's go. So join me. Come close. Come on. So let's start the live. What did you say y'all wanted? What did you say y'all wanted? Sol. Let's move the ones up. Do we have a Sol here? Yes, we do. Sol. Bitcoin, MATIC, FET, Sol. Flocky. Do you have a Flocky here? No. If it's not here, I don't even want to bother with it. All right, let's bring this up. Bonk. My boy Chris Gary said it, so you know we got to do it. Litecoin. Do we have a Litecoin here? Do we have a Litecoin? How do we not have Litecoin here? Hold on. No light. All right, we'll put it in. That's weird. I don't know what everyone's obsession with NVIDIA is. I don't get it. What is that? FTM. Okay. And even though I don't want to do it, Mara, I don't want to do it, but Bhavna is hilarious. So for Bhavna, I'll bloody do it. All right. These are the ones we're doing. All right, let's do it, baby. Let's have the conversation. So Bitcoin, we're starting off with Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin, MATIC, FTM. It's right here. So let's go into it. What do I need? What am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. All right, we're good. Oh, I know what I'm looking for. Let's bring the chat down. I moved the chat up. And there we go. There we go. Cool. Let's just fix this. And we're good. All right, let's go into it. Bitcoin. So let's talk about it, right? Let's zoom in. Full screen. By the way, just so we're clear, you could go back a few weeks, but these are the same exact levels from day one. So the ticker is Bitcoin. I'm on the daily time frame. We have been bouncing at this level at 71,291 and 66,381. We've been bouncing in this area once we broke it, but we've really, if you notice, consolidation, just rejection and battling it out. Nothing much going on, just that. There's truly nothing much to say about that. That's what's going on. Boom. So now when we look at it here, this is why you saw a major drop with the altcoins, because what you saw happen with this big drop that happened, that rejection off of that 71,291, it's just not getting above it. We are not going bullish until this event takes place. Until the candle closes above 71,291. Then we're going again. What level? No one can tell you what level. Nobody can tell you where it's going. It's all uncharted territory. It's all uncharted territory. So no one can comment on that. Just so we're clear. Boom. You just want to see what happens. For those of you that might want to buy up some coins or something, but just keep in mind, your stop loss is below here, candle close. Because then we're free falling back to 61, 3, 4, 6. These levels I made, God knows how long ago. They're still playing out. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's keep it going. By the way, we're live on TikTok, not Instagram. I said, screw that. I don't even want to go on that platform. But TikTokers, come on the YouTube live. That's where I'm acknowledging comments, TikTokers. Eric, people get obsessed with stocks once they ran up so high and want to get in. They should have gotten excited about Nvidia 2 years ago, like you told them about PLTR. Thank you, Eric. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand this obsession with stocks that are at extremely high record levels. I don't get it. I don't get it. But whatever. That's my opinion. I don't care about Nvidia. It's at extremely high record levels. Why the freak would I want to even talk about it? Oh, by the way, the reason why I don't talk about it is because this is the problem with being, on social media. The second I talk about it, people go buy it. Even if I say something, that I've learned that over the years of being who I am, that no matter what comes out of my mouth, if I mention it in any kind of way, people will go buy it. Even if I say don't, it's record high, people will still do it. So what I've learned is, if you notice, people say, Professor, you don't talk about PLTR. You used to talk about it all the time. Yeah, I talked about PLTR when it was $6, $7, the high fives. I talked about it aggressively. Now look where it is. I'm not talking about it. This is what I'm saying. I talked about the TQQQ. I did a full live on TQQ. Go back and watch it. At what? I believe $17, $18. Go check with someone. Tell me how high TQQ is right now. Do you see what I'm saying? So boom. I'm not talking about stuff when they're at record levels. What's the point? All right, here we go. So this is a conversation that needs to be had. So pay attention to this, right? Let's go full screen. My love for MATIC. Let's have I'm starving, man. I'm supposed to go dinner out with a friend, but all right, I don't want to take too long. But okay, I'll just spend time on MATIC. The rest, I'll breeze through the rest because I'm starving. On the daily time frame. Let me text her. All right, this is MATIC. Everyone, page 41 right now. Let's go. Pull up. Everyone, page 41 right now. Thank you, Ronald. TQQ is $67. Go watch my live. I talked about it when it was $16, $17. Go check it. It's on the YouTube. It's called the best ETF to invest in. Something like that. Go check. Fallen Feather. Professor, how are you? How about Forex? Girl, look at what this says. No Forex. We follow a schedule here. No Forex. Crypto. So, no. Page 41. Page 41. Let's go. Let's pay attention to this. I did this live last summer and it's saved on my YouTube. The number one altcoin. Why does the shirt rise up here? It drives me crazy. Come on. All right. I did the live a year ago. In the summer, I believe. I don't remember when I did the damn live, but I did it a year ago. MATIC was at record lows at this price point. Exploded stage 2. Stage 3. Stage 4. We had a nice hold here in the $1.90, $1.90.80. And then once it failed, look at this. What stage is MATIC on right now? Flood the chat. What stage is MATIC on right now? Tell me. Let's go. Flood it. Everyone should have page 41 out right now. You all know the answers. You're in your digital class right now. So you should be paying attention. Very good. Stage 1, stage 1, stage 1. When do you buy? There's no such thing as stage 5, Dylan. Tells me you don't have the book. What are you doing, bro? Daytradeprofessor.com. Get the book. When are you supposed to buy? When are you supposed to buy? And tell me why. Professor, I'm from Nigeria. How do I get the book? I just said it, daytradeprofessor.com. I just said it. And of course, YouTube is tweaking. It says I'm not live. YouTube. God bless you. I know I'm live because the chat is active. As long as the chat's active, I know I'm live. Screw it. Screw it. Tell me why you buy in stage one. Tell me why you buy in stage one. Break of one? Nope. You buy in stage one. This is a massive accumulation period. Look at this. Look how long MATIC has been going stage one for. You buy in the 60, 63 here. Here, I'll give you the bloody levels. 63, 68, and that resistance is 75. There's your major levels right there. Say says you're live. Oh, yeah, I'm live. I checked on my phone. I'm live. But the software that I use says I'm not live. But it's okay. The chat's active, so I know you guys hear me. The chat on YouTube is active. But point being, this is the accumulation period. You buy it. You should be smiling at these drops. You can you can buy more. You can buy more. So that's what I would tell you about MATIC. Don't panic. Don't go crazy. These are great. Look at this massive consolidation right here. You want to get in here. Could it fall further? Of course. Your stop loss below that 63 candle close. But if you notice, candle never closes below. It's just riding nicely in this range. But people think support resistance doesn't work, but God bless them. There's MATIC right there. All right, next one. Come on, smart boy. FET. Here we go. Let's zoom out. Now, if you notice, FET is doing something very similar on the daily time frame. Same sideways movement between $2.58 to $1.85. It looks like it's headed to the green line. What is that green line? Let's see who has my book. Let's see what page we want to talk about. MATIC all-time high was almost $3. Yep, 100%. You should be on page 66. Page 66. For you to understand the power of the 200 EMA and how I use it. Page 66. This is what you want to focus. It's headed right back here. If we break this support, we're in major trouble. I'm going to tell you right now. If we lose that 200 level support, candle close below, FET will free fall. FET will free fall hard. And if you believe in AI, you believe in FET, then this might be a great buying opportunity. But if you want to look at a buying opportunity, see what happens at that 200. But also that 185 is good because if you notice, look, it's been doing the same thing as MATIC. That 185 bounce and then move up. FET is a great one to practice on. It's a fast mover. If you want to practice on something a little faster. So boom. That's FET. Let's keep going. By the way, I'll be live on Sunday, the last and final live, Think and Grow Rich. Sorry, not the last and final live. The last chapter, the last episode of Think and Grow Rich, part 10, this Sunday, 8 p.m. Put your notifications on. It's in the live. When you go to YouTube, click live. You see you'll see it there. All right, Sol. Same thing. Very similar situation going on here with Sol. If you notice, as well, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and now it's holding at this level right here. A lot of things, believe it or not, the altcoins are in these stage 1s, a lot of them. But here's the issue. This, what I'm about to say, is going to hurt a lot of people's feelings. People are not going to like what I'm about to say, but someone got to tell the truth. By the way, pay attention, because what I'm about to say is going to rock your world, unfortunately. Bitcoin is at record highs, record lows. Where's Bitcoin? Flood the chat. Flood the chat. Where is Bitcoin? Record highs, record lows, medium. What is it at? Let's go. Bobby, you also like to buy right before the big drop? We must be related. I'm new here, but I like what I'm hearing so far. Welcome, Pinto. Welcome. Everything, if you're new here, just go through the playlist, bro. There's tons and tons of videos, so you're not confused. Daytradeprofessor.com. I have a free trading course. Don't pay me a cent. I'm fine. Don't pay me any money. I'm perfectly fine. Record highs. Okay, cool. Bitcoin is at record highs. Altcoins. A majority of altcoins at record highs. Massive lows, medium prices. What are they? Majority of altcoins. Flooded. I can't afford a single Bitcoin. Okay, so get some MATIC, 60 cents. Come on now. Don't start the excuses. Some of you couldn't buy it when I told you to buy it at 10,000. That's when I started telling people to buy it. When it was 10,000, when Ethereum was 300 bucks. That's when I started telling people to buy it. Let's go. Alts. Let's go. Tell me about the alts. Record highs? Majority of alts are at record highs, MD? I don't know about that. Middle of the road. Okay, middle of the road. Lows. Middle. Mid. Keep going. Middle. Okay. Somewhere in the middle. Somewhere at lows. For example, MATIC. FET. Really low prices, right? The two examples that I gave you. Middle was Sol. Now here's a question. If crypto moves with Bitcoin, altcoins move with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now is what, 69,000? If Bitcoin falls to 62,000, if Bitcoin falls in the 59,000, if the altcoins are already at some record lows, what will happen to the altcoins once Bitcoin falls? What happens to altcoins? What happens to altcoins? Flood the chat. What happens to altcoins? Very good. Crash 2 drops. It will drop much lower. I'm talking dangerously lower. Alts have already fallen. They've disconnected from Bitcoin's move, many of them. Many of them are not following Bitcoin. And it happens. If you think everything is perfection, then I got, a bridge to sell you in Nebraska. But expect the worst of the worst to occur if Bitcoin falls drastically. because some of the altcoins are being held on by a thread right now and could crash aggressively. Keep that in mind. So I just wanted to stress that. So let's go to the next coin. Now that I got that warning out the way for you guys, bonk. Let's go. So this is another coin. Again, levels played out, as you can see right here. You can go back and watch my old videos. I did a breakdown on almost all the altcoins. So boom. Bonk, same thing. If you want to buy in some more, I'm not going to type in all the zeros. There's too many zeros. But there you go. That one. 2280. If you want to buy into this position, God bless you with these coins. I don't touch these type of things, but it has been moving very nicely. Respects the levels, as you can see. Look at that. Same thing. Respects the levels. So this is bonk. B-O-N-K. Boom. Next one, link. Same thing with link. If you notice, sideways on the levels, people say levels don't work, but look how magnificently it's working. Then I got people that say indicators don't work. Look at that touch to the penny on the 200. By the way, the exact way I use it, everything is in the chapter in my book. Breaks it down completely. For those of you that have the book, I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for taking your learning seriously and supporting the build of the campus. So thank you for those of you. Those don't have it, you're wasting your time. You watchers. You watchers are wasting your time. But you want to see what happens at that 200 bounce. If you want to buy some at that 200 bounce, buy it. But if it fails, 1338 is where you want to get some. 1338 is where you want to buy some. Boom. My suggestion, as always, is wait for it to stop falling. Wait for it to stop falling. That's my suggestion to all of you. Please don't randomly buy it. Please don't randomly buy it. Boom. Let's keep going. Next one, Litecoin. Let's go. Now, if you notice about Litecoin, what do you notice about Litecoin? Flood the chat. What do you notice about Litecoin? Flood the chat. Who can tell me something very specific on the chart? Who can tell me something very specific about the chart? Breakdown of Dogecoin. I'll think about it. This is how it starts. I can't wait to watch these videos 5 to 10 years from now and wish for these prices to buy again. I love that you said that, Chris Gary. You know, it's funny because that's the beauty of YouTube, right? I've been saying a lot of stuff, and on Instagram, it gets lost. The Instagram archive sucks. It is what it is, right? So the beauty thing of YouTube is it's all on record. Every word out of my mouth on YouTube is in chronological order, clean date, clean time, all that in order. So that's the beautiful thing. No one can ever say anything. You know? Cacao, what's up, Cacao? Cacao knows I talked about Ethereum when it was 300 bucks. Bitcoin, 10,000. That's when I first bought it, 10,000. Riding the line, bouncing to 200. But I thought indicators don't work. Very good. It's riding on the 200 EMA. But isn't that what you people see on the internet? Indicators don't work. None of it works. Isn't that what you see? But aren't you seeing it work? Aren't you seeing it work right there? But I thought they don't work. Here's a mess. Bed hair. Bed hair. I don't want to miss an opportunity coin with Bitcoin, Ethereum. First level, look back and check the levels. When Litecoin hits all-time highs, bull run. But you guys got it, like I said, right? Look at the level, look at the 200. They don't lie. They don't lie. That's what I would tell you. Look at that bounce. But now here's the part. It looks like it's failing because that drop with Bitcoin. See what happens. See what happens. This has a long free fall. Again, if a lot of these alts lose that 200, expect a major drop. Expect a major... Sacre bleu. Smart board. Sacre bleu. By the way, shout out to this company. This smart board has been active for 4 years, working smoothly. No drama. Smoothly, no drama. So shout out to this company. I have to hand that to them. You know, because I want the new one they have. They got this gigantic one, like much bigger, but there's no need. There's no need. When I was building the new studio, I was thinking about it, but there's no need. Next one, FTM. Let's go. Same thing with FTM. Look at this. Like, oh God, I love FTM so much. FTM daily time frame. By the way, just a reminder, I have 3 more lives left on YouTube. And then I'm leaving for Thailand, and then that's it. We're moving everything back to Instagram. I'll be back on Instagram. We're back to Tuesday, Friday live. Just to keep, I need to remind some of you, please don't ask for the YouTube. I won't be in the studio. I won't be in the country. I'll be back in September. So keep that in mind. So if you notice, same thing right here. Once that 81 level got lost, we're headed back to the 200. You want to see what happens. But if the 200 fails, watch the 56 cents right here. Watch that move happen right there with FTM. But you notice, watch this. Do I want to say, yeah, I want to ask you, what do you notice about FTM? Anything specific? Do you notice anything specific about FTM? Who can tell me? Look at the FTM chart. What do you notice? We talked about something, right, with FTM. What do you notice? Who can tell me? By the way, this is what I mean by that, the merch. You guys ever seen a cell phone wipe? Reusable cell phone wipe? So you know, right here, look, it fits the entire screen. I think it's the iPhone 14, 15. I don't know what number this is, but it's the iPhone, whatever number, Pro Max. Fits the entire screen perfectly, so when you want to wipe your thing. And for those of you that have cell phone, I can't even talk. For those of you that have cell phone cases, because I don't use cases, you could just put it in the back of your case, rock the support of the merch, the campus, see everyone sees that you're a student of the path to consistency, you know, and you have it in the back. And then when you want to wipe your phone, one wipe, fingerprint's gone. Boom. And this one is just the bigger one for your laptops. To give you an idea, like I spoke about it, like I just got this week. This covers the entire phone if you notice. So yeah. Consolidation, if it hasn't broken support, do we always analyze a chart on daily time frame? I thought weekly time frame is more reliable. You could, bro, we could analyze it on any time frame. Big support, the 200. None of that. This is what I want to show you. Watch this, right? Very similar to Ethereum, moving sideways, and what happened once it broke? Look at that move it had. Look at that move it had. That's why we trade from level to level. That's the interesting part. MATIC is doing the exact same thing right now. MATIC is doing the exact same thing. Aziz, get the book. Just get the book. Thank you. Hassan, what's up, bro? What's up? My brother from Pakistan. Just get the book. Thank you for helping out in the chat. All the answers are in the book. Like, you know what I've learned about psychology? If you're watching me, if you're actively watching me, you're interested in what I have. Just get the book. Get the digital or the physical. Like it's my whole formula is in there. Everything I do is in here. There's no need to ask me anything really. I'm gonna be straight with you. There's nothing, you don't, once you get the book, but then if you want to come to the class and just enhance it, that's a different conversation. But let's go. What ticker is this? Oh, Mara. All right, I know this is a crypto class, but for Bhavna, I got you. But for Bhavna, my Gujarati sister, I got you. This is Mara, which is a stock. Before someone says anything, I'll do it for Bhavna. Mara has been on an interesting run lately. Massive consolidation. Massive undecisiveness. Resisted at 2250. 1943. It's just been in this range. Stuck. That's it. You just play it out. You just play it out, because why is it like this? Bitcoin is stuck in that range as well. Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin and Mara side to side, it's also stuck in a similar conversation. Can't wait to see those fights professed in Thailand. Yeah, that'd be a lot of fun. Yeah, how do I know the book is worth buying? Aziz, oh, what a question. Click the link in my bio, daytradeprofessor.com, and go look at the reviews. But you might think everything's fake. You might be one of those. For those of you that have the book, what do you think about the book? Is it worth it, and why? Help out Aziz Naji. He says, how does he know the book is worth it? He could go see the 5-star reviews, the hundreds of 5-star reviews. Or, for those of you that have the book, flood the chat and tell Aziz, why is it worth it? Flood the chat. But back to Mara. Mara is really directly correlated with Bitcoin right now, right? Just play out these levels. But keep your eye on also that 200. It touched base on the 200. And if that fails, going down to 14 bucks if that fails. So Mara is the one to watch. Mara is the one to watch. Boom. Boom. It's the only book I've enjoyed and read cover to cover in 15 years. Thank you, Bobby. Just buy the book. But tell them why, Chris. That doesn't work. The book is worth 10x the price, 100x the price. The book is definitely worth buying. Is it equilibrium? That means fair value gap, accumulation fair. You got to analyze it. Keep helping Aziz. All right. Let's do it. Let's take a quote out of the Quran. You already know. Random page. Let's do it. And boom. Chapter 25, the decisive authority, Al-Furqan. Let's go. Ooh, I like this. All right, let's go. By the way, if you want to get this, link in the bio. Link in the bio. Oh, come next to me. What are y'all doing over there? Get over here. So let's go. Chapter 25, the decisive authority, Al-Furqan, verse 56. We have sent you, O prophet, only as a deliverer of good news and a warner. That's what I'm doing. I am bringing you news, delivering you away from being 2 to 3 paychecks away from being homeless. That's all I'm doing. I don't do anything less. I don't do anything more. I warn you and I tell you what to watch out for. That's it. Like Aziz in the chat. Aziz, if you don't want the book, don't get the book. It's all good. Daytradeprofessor.com. Use the free trading course. Use that. That's what I would tell you. Don't even get the book. Don't even worry about coming to New York or Thailand. Just get the free course. You don't even need to. I'm fine. Like I literally tell all of you, I'm fine. I have nothing to sell you if you don't want it. Say I do not ask you for any reward for this message. Ooh, I said the same thing. I'm not asking you for anything. But whoever wishes, let them pursue the way to their Lord. I'm trying to free you from the chains of being 2 to 3 paychecks away from being homeless. I'm trying to prevent you from suffering more than you've suffered in your life anyway. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm going to wake you up to the realities. Since I've been saying Bitcoin 10,000, Bitcoin's at $69,000. Put your trust in the ever-living who never dies and glorify his praises. Sufficient is he as all aware of the sins of his servants. He is the one who created the heavens and the earth and everything in between in 6 days. Then established, yes, Christians, we believe the same stuff as you. We are more connected than you could ever know. But they've divided us, Christians. Christians and Muslims, we are literally brethren on brethren. That's why a lot of Christians that convert over to Islam, it's so simple because there's only one division. Some Christians believe that Jesus is Son of God. We say he's just the messenger who brought the message of God. Boom. And that God didn't crucify him. He just sent him to heaven. That he wasn't put through that massive trial. So boom. Then establish in between in 6 days, then establish himself on the throne. He's the most compassionate, as none other than him, other than the all knowledgeable about himself. When it comes to learning, listen very carefully. When it comes to learning, do not rely on anyone but the one mentor, one strategy, one mentor, one God mindset. Same with your belief in your faith and religion. I would say the same. It doesn't have to be me. I'm telling you that right now. I do not have to be your mentor. I'm not for everyone. The way I talk puts people off. Good. If you are put off by what I say, good. Just unsubscribe and unfollow before you leave. That's all I ask. If you're going to leave, just unsubscribe and unfollow, then go about your way. But my suggestion to you is stick to one's knowledge. Once you mix in too many, it throws you off the path. You want to follow one path. If I path to consistency, you join me on my path. I help you, guide you all the way along the way. Nobody in the chat, no mentorship student can ever say to me, I've neglected them. They've always gotten reply. Again, the secret Instagram. Many of you are like, wait, the secret Instagram, I'm always there for them. Do you see that guy with the thumbs up, Eric Torres? He's been with me since I've been going live since the butt naked days, years ago. Eric, have I not always replied to you? Have I not always given you my time? Do you see what I'm saying here? Find someone that's always there when you need them. Because there's some dark days when it comes to trading where you need them. Praise God, I had a good week trading. Today I didn't take any trades. I wanted to go to the city. The weather was nice. I wanted to enjoy the museums. Wanted to just eat and just enjoy myself today. So I was just in the city today. I posted on the secret Instagram. No trades for me. I'm chilling. I just wanted to enjoy the week, the end of the week, as I said. And that's the power of trading. Always, as Eric says. Like I say, learn from the best, forget the rest. Eric Cape Cod too. Chris Cape Cod too. Same thing. Same thing. So what I would tell you is, just learn to hit sell. For those of you that are looking at MATIC and some of these accumulated crypto, buy. But also keep in mind, warning, Bitcoin is at massively record level highs. If it loses that momentum, the altcoins can fall a lot lower. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Eric, did you used to have? Yep, Bobby, that's him. He's the one. Excuse me. He's the one with the Dodgers picture. I think he still has it. Peter says always, boom. That is a thing. Once mentor is a lawful. Again, you want to have someone that you know won't falter, won't leave you. Boom. That doesn't want monthly money from you. Can't imagine how they disrespect you. Oh my God. So keep that in mind. Boom. All right. I will see you guys on Sunday for part 10 of Think and Grow Rich. And then Tuesday. And then Friday. And then yes. You used to respond even on your public page before you had a team. 100%. Miss Chris. No, not Chris. Sorry. Miss. What's wrong? I can't believe I forgot Gold Girl's right name. California. Oh, hell no, brain. See, I wake up from a nap. My memory's not so good. I can't believe I forgot her name. She's an OG. She loves Kobe Bryant. See, I can't end the live until she tells me her name. And I always say her full name. Oh, Miss Cheryl Gold. I remembered. Miss Cheryl Gold from California. All right, guys. May peace be upon you all. Your boy's about to go eat.